Hey, we got something. Yeah, what a day. There, back on the Flounder. 14 and a half. How about that? Golly, been a rough day. I was just working that H&H down through there. He come up there and grabbed it, didn't he? He sure did. Look at that. Pretty flounder. Oh yeah. Shit. I threw it right on top of his head. Dang it. All right. Come on. No. Don't let go. Let him spit it out. Ooh, look at him pulling. Oh, look at that. Look right there. Caught him right before he let go of it. Woo, that was close. Boy, you got some heft to him too. He's not huge, but here we go. He got some meat to him. It does appear the tide is coming in. Oh, I must have got over here just at the tail end of the bite, I guess. Oh no, they're still biting. Oh yeah. Look at that. Another barely net. And barely netted that one. Ding dang. I'm gonna move on, see if we can go find some reds, maybe do some free lining for with some shrimp. Got some shrimp left over from yesterday. Yeah, they're pretty chilled, but they're probably warming up now. We're gonna go free line for some shrimp now. Looks like this bite has on the flounders have subsided, but yeah, we didn't do too bad. Boom, 1, 2. I don't know if we got here a little bit late. Tide's coming in and the wind's still blowing, so I may stop over, see if I can hide out of the wind for a second or two. There's another little spot over there that sometimes holds some pretty good fish. And away we go again. First things first, get this back pretty. Here, swimming again. Whoa, hello. Maybe we got here just in time. Maybe, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, come on, Bubba. There we go. We got somebody. I don't know who it was, but he's staying down low. Oh, put a little pull on there now. Look at him. Look at him put a little pull on there. Another one. Yeah. Got another one. Yeah. That's big. Back one. 15-incher. Ball. Number 4. I'm happy. I'm happy about that. Why not? Why not be happy about that? I'm happy. 4 flounder. 4 flounder. Alright, time for a break. What I will do. Oh, jeez. Hate when that happens. Anyway, back to it. I'm gonna throw out a shimp because they acting up over here in front of me. So I'm gonna give them a chance to come eat a shrimp with this. Oh, you.